through from the window, so you can go around the platform. So you get the whole thing.
What rate are we?
500 right now. We're gonna redo this whole platform, so we're gonna optimize it a lot much. So now we're doing a lot of swing and back. We're gonna get rid of that. We're actually on the bottom. This is right in front of the wheel line. Do you have a car?